Acai berries, small dark fruits native to the Amazon rainforest in Brazil, are known for their high content of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They are particularly rich in anthocyanins, which are responsible for their dark color and strong antioxidant properties. Additionally, they are high in vitamins A, C, and E, iron, calcium, and fiber. Acai berries also contain healthy fats such as omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, making them a unique superfood. The health benefits of acai berries are extensive. Their high antioxidant content helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, potentially reducing the risk of various chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. The vitamins in acai berries support skin health, the immune system, and overall vitality. The fiber content aids in healthy digestion and can help regulate blood sugar levels. However, the consumption of acai berries can also have some drawbacks. Excessive consumption can lead to digestive issues such as bloating or diarrhea, especially if not consumed with adequate water. Additionally, some acai products may be sweetened or processed with added sugars, which can reduce their nutritional value. It's important to choose pure and unprocessed products. In the kitchen, acai berries are very popular, especially in the form of acai powder or frozen pulp. They make a great addition to smoothies and smoothie bowls, creating a rich and creamy texture. You can also add them to yogurts, oatmeal, or desserts to enhance nutritional value and add a distinctive fruity flavor. Acai is often combined with other superfoods such as chia seeds, bananas, and nuts to create balanced and tasty dishes. Thus, acai berries are an excellent addition to a healthy diet when consumed in moderation. They offer a wide range of health benefits and culinary possibilities that can enrich your diet.